What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to explore sectioning in Navisworks 2025. Alright, so let's do this. So let's go to the viewpoint tab. So let's click that tab and then you will see here sectioning. So that's the tool that we're going to use, enable sectioning. So just click that one to enable sectioning. And as you can see right off the bat, so there's my default section already. Okay, so we have two options here. So it's either you use planes or box. So let's select first the box. So let me select the box, and then there's the box. So for this one, you can modify the movement, the rotation, scale, and fit to selection your box here. So if by default it is set to move. So if you hover your pointer, let's say to the blue gizmo, so you can drag that, hold your left click, and you'll be able to move your box. Okay, so same with this side here. Okay, so you can move that, and then you can move up and down. Okay, so that's for your move. So the other one here is rotate. So you can rotate it. Okay, so this side or this side here, and also the top portion, so you can use that to rotate your 3D model. So you can use different options to explore your building. Scale, so you can scale up your box. So you can click that, and then you can scale up your section box. Okay, so you can scale it. Right, and then you can also select fit selection. So it moves the active section plane or the section box to the boundary of the item selected in the scene view or on the selection tree. Okay, so that's for your box. So I seldom use this one because I most of the time use the planes option. Okay, so I'm gonna select planes, and by default I have here one plane 1. My plane 1, as you can see, it's already turned on. So if I click this one to turn off my plane 1, it will show me the whole view, right? So if I'm going to turn on plane number 1, just click that one to turn on the bulb and it will activate it. Okay, so by default it shows here the front section. Okay, so I'm going to select move. So that's now the front. So you can use the view cube as your reference. You see the front. Okay, so that's the side of my front. So it's this side here. So that's the front. So if you want to place another work plane to this side here, so what's that side? So that side is left. So you can add a left plane here. So to do that, let's say what I want to do, I want to create a separate view for this area here, just this building here. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to add 5 sections. So section here, 1, 2, another section here, 3, 4 section plane here, and then another section plane at the top. So 5 section plane. So I already have one section plane which is front. I can adjust the front side, right? So let's say I want to adjust this side here, which is the left. So what you need to do is go to your current and then turn on plane 2. Okay, plane 2, and then just click outside, select your plane 2. So my plane 2 is already set to left. So there's my plane 2. Okay, my plane 1 and plane 2 is link. So they are both turned on. So if I want to add another plane, let's say to this side here, this side is what? So that side is right. Okay, so I just need to use another plane here. So I'm going to turn on plane 3 and then select plane 3. So make sure that is right. Okay, so that's right. And then you can adjust now. Okay, so somewhere here. And then I want to add another plane at this side, which is back. So let's turn on another plane. Select that. So make sure back here is selected. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so if you want to adjust also the top portion, so just turn on another plane here. And then select that. So make sure for the plane 5, top is selected. Okay, so you can adjust the top portion. Okay, so you can go to the plane settings here. You will see that they are all turned on here. So I have 5 planes: front, left, right, back, top. And I'm not using the 6th plane. So I only need 5 plane. So now, after that, after you set up your view, the next thing that what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this view. So from the viewpoints, I can just right click and save viewpoint, or just simply select here, save viewpoint. Just click that, and then you can specify the name here. So let's say that's my building A. Enter. Okay. So that if I disable my section, I can still go back to that section because I saved that as my viewpoint. So just click that. There you go. Okay, so let's go back to the sectioning tools. So you can use rotate, and then you can select fit selection. Okay, but for now, that's for this exercise. So that's how you use your sectioning tools in Navisworks. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.